Hi Team YourCal, I'm just popping on with a new strategy that will help you add numbers. Today's strategy just blew our minds. We loved it in Tropic Tribe and Cactus Crew. Today's strategy is breaking apart to add to find partial sums to help us with addition problems. We use base 10 blocks today in Team YourCal, our 10s and 1s. So we are ready to try it without our math tools. So let's look at this strategy. I know that when I think of my number 26, my add-in 26, I can break it into 10s and 1s. By doing this, it's going to help us find numbers that are easier to add. When we have numbers that are easier to add, it's a little bit easier to find the final sum. So let's try it. I know that 26 can be broken into 10s and 1s. Break apart the 10s, break apart the 1s. So 26 has 2 10s. I know that 2 10s is 20. I'm going to write it right here underneath the 26. I'm going to do that same thing for my other add-in 35. I know 35 can be broken apart into 10s and 1s. 35 has 3 10s and the value of 3 10s is 30. I now have numbers that end in 0. When we have a number that ends in 0, we can mentally add it just a little bit quicker. I know that 2 10s plus 3 10s, or 20 plus 30, is 5 10s, or 50. But I'm not done yet. This is just part of my final sum. Think back to Miss Caliber's room. The word partial has the root word of part. I'm going to find part of one sum, the 10s, part of another sum, the 1s, and put them together. Now let's look at the 1s. I see that in the number 26, I have 6 1s. And in the number 35, looking in my 1s place, I have 5 1s. I now have a fast fact, so I can add it quick in my head. 6 plus 5 more equals 11. And now I have my sums of my 10s, sums of my 1s, add them together to get my final sum. I know that 50 plus 11 is 61. My final sum is 61. This is a strategy that might work for you, and maybe a different strategy is more efficient. But we know that good mathematicians learn many different strategies to find the one that works best for them. So, step 1, add the 10s. Step 2, add the 1s. Step 3, add them together to find your final sum. Thanks so much for our popping on in to watch another new math strategy. See you guys soon.